What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be hiking in the Adirondacks, eating some food, getting hit by the wind, enjoying some views.
Today we're going to be hiking the Adirondacks and hopefully drinking coffee on top. If we're not going to drink any coffee on top, never mind.
That's the one thing I forgot to get
Because I didn't bring any coffee grounds. But we got duck, steak, oatmeal, and smoked salmon.
and cheese and crackers.
Cheese and crackers. Two crackers.
My kitchen is already working. Wednesday and Saturday.
Boogie.
GoPro died. On top. Good bird. Face on bed.
All right, no more wind. We're gonna go back to the spot before somebody left their snowshoes. That's smart. Go back to the spot before and eat. But that's Cascade Peak. About to head back down. Get to the car, probably eat some more, drive home. That's it. It's Cascade Mountain.
Got a little fishy. Fishy on top of the cracker. Come on. Come on. You're fishy. Just get olive oil all over my pants. It's fine.
That's good. Wash them.
Come on. You piece of shit. There we go. Utensils down. What a bite.
Food safety.
Fucking sheer silence.
Some gorgonzola, basically. Some Tristics. Made it back to the car.
Somehow.
We
survived once again. Holy shit.
It was easy.
3.5 hour drive back.
Fuck.